Today's video will be quick and fun. We are setting up our hot chocolate station for the 2019 Christmas season. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. Are we having fun yet? Because I know I am, so I hope you are too. In today's video, I'm going to share a couple of quick and simple steps to set up your hot cocoa station and make it super festive for the entire season. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share an adult beverage that I know you're gonna love. It's delicious and it's perfect for those late nights, maybe when you're up wrapping all those presents. So I'll stop talking, bring you in and take you through the steps that I take to make our hot chocolate station for Christmas. For step number one, I always get started by setting the stage with a festive sign or a holiday wreath. I found this one at Hobby Lobby this year and it was the perfect size for our really tight space. I like to use command hooks because they're really easy to remove once the season is over. For step number two, I pull out everything I'm going to use in the hot cocoa bar kit. So our peppermint snow and swivel sticks and gingerbread houses and marshmallows. And then I try to set it up on display so that it's easy to see. I think one of the funnest parts of making hot chocolate is picking out everything you're gonna add. And so I found these cute little glass apothecary jars also from Hobby Lobby. And that way I could stick some of the garnishes in there and the kids could see it. It turned out really cute. I like going to Williams-Sonoma off-season and buying those really cute gingerbread houses. They're marked way down a fraction of the cost, either after the season is over or a lot of times they'll have it like for Christmas in July. And you can buy those gingerbread cookies and houses and put them in the freezer and they end up being really fresh when you're ready to use them for the winter season. And for step number three, finish things off with a little extra decor. I have to keep things very simple in this space because it's very small and we have to be able to get to our coffee in the morning. So I just added a bow on top of the sign to finish things off. Turned out really cute. Now here's a fun idea for the kids. Grab some wooden spoons from the baking section in Hobby Lobby and some chocolate melting wafers. Melt your chocolate and then the kids can make their own customized swivel sticks so that you can add marshmallows or sprinkles or peppermint, but it's a lot of fun for them and then they can take those spoons and dip them in the hot cocoa. And then once the chocolate cools off, you just post up the spoons in your station. Look how cute everything turned out. And just like that, the hot chocolate station is ready to go. The kids can see all the fun things that they can add. The adults can still get to their coffee easily, and everybody's happy. And for an extra special treat for the adults, this year I found a limited edition Bailey's Red Velvet Liqueur, and it really tastes like red velvet cupcakes. So, of course, I made a red velvet latte, really easy and really good. To get started, you'll need some warm milk. If you don't have a milk frother, you can always just pop it in the microwave or on top of the stove. Of course, you'll need coffee. My machine measures it out for me, but if you don't have one that does that, I basically fill the coffee mug about 1/3 of the way with coffee. Once your milk is ready, you'll add that into your coffee. And then finally, you'll add about 2 ounces of the Bailey's Red Velvet Liqueur right on top. And then if you're a big kid at heart like me, you'll add some fun garnish on top. I have these red and white candy canes that I found at Home Goods actually. And they're really tasty and they're super cute. So of course I added them. And the marshmallow and chocolate swivel stick for the win. And would you look at how delicious this looks? If I had to describe it, it tastes really like you've got a little bit of red velvet cupcake with your coffee, but it's got the sweet cream and the icing all included. So, so yummy. So I hope you got some really fun ideas out of this video to just create something simple, something you can enjoy, something the kids can enjoy all season long with your cocoa station. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow for another edition of the 12 Days of Christmas. Until then, love and peace.